welcome back to the Noah and Hayden Show. I'm Hayden, he's Noah, and today we're going to be doing Lawn Bowling Part 2 since you guys loved it so much. The series currently is 1 him, 0 me. Bash me in the comments if I'm getting that wrong, but let's have fun. I'll be going first. See the white thing? If it's in there, it's 5 points. If it's within 1 foot, 3 points. And if it's within 2 feet, 1 point. And if you miss it and you completely suck, 0. Let's have fun.
3. 3 points for him.
We'll hit 3 on that. Ow. You?
My turn up to throw.
I'll give him 3 as well. Yep. After 1 throw, 3 to 3. We're playing the 20. We're playing the 20, by the way. 0.
0 points for Hayden. Let's see my turn.
He rolls it. He rolls it. Fine, I'll give him 1 on that. I'll give him 1 on that. 4 to 3. Gotta stand like right, you know. That's a 0.
Yep, 0 for Hayden. See my turn. Ah.
0. That's a 0, folks. After 3 throws each, Noah 4, Hayden 3. I curve back in 1 point. 4 to 4. That's not in, but it's 3. Seven to 4. Noah's winning. Cannot let my younger cousin do this to me. That's 7 to 5. 7 to 5. That's a 0.
1.
That hit the stick, buddy. Here. If it's in this thing, it's 1 point. We'll just that off 3 at that point. 7 to 5. Noah's winning. That's it! I'm just kidding. No, at 6, 7, 8. 8 to 7, I'm winning. But Noah has a throw. 1, sorry. 1. 8 to 8. 8 to 8 after 5 throws. On the 6th throw, 3 points. And then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put it on the board. Yeah. 13 to 11. What's that? It's in the thing? It's in. It's in. It's in. No. 13 to 12. Actually, no, sorry, 15 to 12. My bad. 0. That's in. 13, 14, 15, 16. Put it on the board. 17, sorry. I got 17 to 13. No, 13 or 15? 15, my bad. in. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Noah has to get a 3, otherwise we're going to a tiebreaker. Tiebreaker. That is a tiebreaker. That did not go in, folks. It might look like it went in on camera. It did not. I know. So for the tiebreaker, we're gonna stand behind the camera. We're gonna chuck it. If it goes in, you win. First one to make it in wins. It's in.
It's in.
Noah has to make this to win or to keep it going. He has 3 tries over to his last chance. In! Now I have 2 tries to replicate that. Zero. Nothing. If he makes it in 2 tries, he wins. If Noah makes this shot in 2 tries, he wins. Oh, here. If Noah makes this in 2 tries, he wins. What? As no. No. And the game continues. 1 ball. We're doing 1 last roll. Whoever's closer wins the game. That's it. Noah has to make it in to keep this going. Otherwise, Hannah wins. Hannah does not win. That goes in. We keep playing. Closest to the flag. What's that? Let me get the thing. Let me get a measuring stick. First color up to right here. Noah puts it in closer to that, he wins. He puts it. It would have stopped right here. Noah wins. His was closer, even though it rolled that far. We go off when it crosses the flag. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.